Welcome to the presentation of Bentley Building Mechanical Systems. I'm the product manager for Bentley Building Mechanical Systems, responsible for the development of the software. What you can see here on the screen is a building that has been created. One of the first applications you can see, or the creation of the first applications, is the architecture built with Bentley Architecture. The first thing you see here is the architecture, the shell that is covering everything that's really interesting, but the air handling units, which are rooftops here and which are outside this roof. So to make this visible, we have the reference technology to just get rid of, for example, the roof representation, and with that we get directly into the area where the real life for mechanical engineers starts. So let me zoom into a small area in here, and what you can see here is rectangular ductwork, round ductwork. The blue part would be the supply air, the red part would be the return air. What you see in yellow here would be insulated ductwork that had been created with this application. And on here you would see pipe work for plumbing, means hot water supply and return for this air handling unit. And the part with a yellow cover would be insulated pipe work as well. If we just move a little bit to the side, these yellow panels here would be the electrical panels. So you can also see that at the flyover you see in which file they are and on which level they are, and in this case it's an electrical file. At the flyover we also get information about the elements we are looking at, and in this case it would be the part information, where the part would be supply air, return air, and so on. In this case it would be exhaust air. You also see the dimensions of it. So if I go to different types of elements, like the ductwork, you can see different things. For example, the top of the duct and the bottom of the duct in relation to the floor you're in, means this floor manager here tells at the moment we have no floor activated, so let's go and activate the second floor. And as soon as I do a flyover, then you see that the top of the duct and the bottom of the duct values have changed. So now you can really see that the elevation changed. That means that any ductwork, any pipework you set, you can check what the elevation is, referring to the floor you are actually in. The reference technology lets you turn on and off files. For example, you might want to not see the electrical parts while you are in the while you're designing something, so you just turn it on. You might want to turn off the plumbing, so you just click on the toggle and the plumbing is off. You're seeing an isometric view in here, but of course you have a lot more views you can look at. They are related to the drawings, and you can open up to 8 views, and you just can toggle them on and off, and go and tile the views, so you can see the representation in the single views at the same time, and you can go from one view to the other. I will show that later on at placement time, where you want to go into detailed locations. So with this I just want to switch over to another file, which would be the demonstration file for this one here, where I just took out a chunk of the complete building in order to make it a little bit simpler to see the area we're working in. And here you can see the different views. You can rotate them, you can display them in different shadings. If you want to work in wireframe, which gives you a lot of lines, you can do that. If you want to switch to smooth, you can see that as well. If you want to see only hidden lines, or if you want to see filled hidden lines, those are the options in which you can just work.